What's going on, guys? It's Nasar, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. And today I'm going to address a frequently asked question. Can you wholesale a house with a mortgage on it? See you on the other side of this vid. Alright guys, listen, before I start this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Check this out, man. On my Instagram page, RealEstate Doru, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I do Q&A on the weekends, and with the Q&A, I always get this question: can you wholesale a house with the mortgage, right? The short answer is yes. Allow me to explain. Let's say a house has a mortgage for $50,000. The seller is selling the house for $100,000. You guys agree on that $100,000 price, all right? So you have the contract, and if you need the contract, you can go to durucontracts.com to get your free contracts, right? It's free. You get a contract for $100,000. The house is worth $200,000, right? Repairs are $30,000, but we're not gonna get into that. You have this contract for $100,000. They owe the mortgage. Depending on your state, I'm in North Carolina. We are an attorney state. You might be in the title state, meaning that you guys don't use attorneys to close deals and you use title companies. Once the title company or attorney does the title search, that's searching the deed to make sure that there's no liens, there's no judgments. If they are, they will make sure that they will get paid as well. They're not deal killers all the time. Sometimes they are when you find liens and judgments, but not all the time. What will happen is, remember, you have the contract for $100,000. You're selling that contract for $115,000 to your end buyer. And if you need an assignment contract, durucontracts.com, you'll get both of those, contract and the assignment. You're assigning for $115,000. On closing day, your end buyer is going to wire in $115,000 plus closing costs. $50,000 that's owed to the mortgage company, attorney or title company will pay that off. The other $50,000 minus maybe prorated taxes, which are taxes from January 1 up until whatever date you close, okay? Maybe some other fees, small fees or so. The seller then gets, but for the sake of this video, the seller then gets his $50,000 because $150,000 went to the mortgage, the other $50,000 is his, okay? It's the seller's, his or hers, all right? You then walk away with an assignment for $15,000. When a property has a mortgage on it, do not let it discourage you or think that you can't wholesale it. It just has to get paid off at closing when you're wholesaling. For my free 9-week wholesale course, go to 9weekcourse.com. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you join my Facebook group, Wholesaling with the Doru. Totally free to get a little bit of access to me. As usual, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.